Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is going to be a favorite haul or some recent pickups. I've been trying to get my fall wardrobe together, so most of the pieces are stuff that I recently picked up. I seen on TikTok, I seen other creators having it, and I'm like, yeah, I need this. Like, my problem is I watch the videos and I automatically be like, yeah, I need this. If you're just like that, you found the perfect person to watch. Me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's hop right into this video. Everything that I'm going to be showing in this video, as long as I can find a link, I will definitely link it down below in the description box for you guys. So yeah, starting off super strong, I'm coming in with the first product of this video. One of my favorites, like this is top 5 I must have. I must always re-up on this product. Every time I go to Sephora, I probably get a new bottle. I am so obsessed. It is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yes. This, ladies, affordable luxury, and you need it. Like, you need this on your dresser next to your fragrances. It is a staple of mine. I love putting it on. I have it on right now. I don't know if you guys could see it. I'm gonna try and like insert a clip of it showing the light gliss it does. Like, I love this year round. Although we're transitioning into fall from summer, this will still be used. This is used by me all year round. Do you hear me? Like, this is something I always need. I love it. I need it. It smells like light, so it's not doing too much. It's not too much of a fragrance, but it does give you a little good smell. And the glisten is just it. Everybody would be like, oh my gosh, you look good, girl. Once it's on that little cleavage part, please, super tea. I love it. Next product is this Salt and Stone body wash I seen in Kyra Amanique's video. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm not a rose girl, but this smells like so luxurious. I don't even remember how much it costs, but it's good on the skin. I have extremely sensitive skin. I have eczema, and I make sure I do not put it on like my eczema areas because I have eczema on my neck. I don't know if you guys could see, but if you know me, you know I have very sensitive skin, but it hasn't broken me out yet. It's been like a week so far since I've been using it, and it's good so far. I love it. It smells great. It smells so luxurious. It smells like when you go to one of those top of the top hotels and they give you like body wash. This is probably one of the ones they give you. Like, it feels good on the skin. I love it. It is black rose and oud, and trust me, super tea. It's kind of on the pricier side, but I feel like you get a lot because it's not something I use every single day. I also like use Dove sensitive body wash because, like I said, I have sensitive skin, so Dove sensitive wash is in my rotation for a fact. But yes, that's the next pickup. Salt and Stone Oud body wash. I also seen that they have deodorants. I don't want to try that as well, so I might try that next. These EOS lotions are my favorite. The only thing I want these people to do is change the packaging on this product, because why do I have to always cut the bottle open when it reaches the point where it doesn't want to pump out no more lotion? I don't know why, but this one is new to me. I think it came out in like June or July. It is the creme de pistachio. Ooh, so tea. Like, I'm gonna show you guys my combo with this. These two together, bod. You smell bod, gal. These two together, super tea. For the fall, this is like this is the Let the Good Times Roll, and the smell is a sweet scent of caramel corn. So you already know that's giving fall. And then the pistachio with it, you know, pistachio nutty vibes give fall. Like, ooh, this together, I cracked the code. This is the combo you will be smelling on me every time you see me outside, because I love the sweet nutty smell of it. And yeah, thank you. Lastly, for skincare, I'll be showing you guys my all-time fave Youth to the People. Y'all, I love this thing so much. I'm always wearing makeup and I have sensitive skin, like I had mentioned before, and this is something that works great for my skin. It gets all the makeup off my skin. I feel like it works great for my pores. I feel like my face feels super squeaky clean after using this product, and no face wash that I have gave me that feel as of yet, but this one I could always count on it for getting every single thing off of my face. I haven't tried the other lines, but trust me, the kale and green tea spinach one, superfood cleanser from Youth to the People. If you don't take anything from this video, take this. Take this. Do you hear me? Get this. You won't regret it. Next, I will be getting into my little accessories that I recently picked up, and I can't wait. All right, let's get into it. Okay, first on the list is this Chanel chain dupe. Oh my gosh, I just love the TikTok girlies and their little Chanel chain. I love that for them. I just cannot afford it as of yet. I could afford it, but I can't afford it twice, so I'm definitely not getting the Chanel little chain belt action thing. But super tea, where there's a will, there's a way. And of course, there's a dupe on Amazon. Y'all, look at this. I've been waiting to open it for the video. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm gonna open it and try it on now. Where there's a will, there is a way. Do you hear me? Okay. Okay, I love that it could be worn on both sides. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Okay. Okay, I could see myself wearing this with some jeans, a white tank, or like my white Aritzia shirt, which I wish I could have it in this haul, but I didn't wash it. I wore it already. And some kitten heels. Excuse me. Hold on, let me check it out myself. Okay, I absolutely love it. I checked it out in the mirror, and yes, this is right up my alley. The only thing that is throwing me off is the number 5 on it, because you know you're not Chanel, so why would you put the 5? But it's okay. It's cute. I'm gonna still make it work. It's like affordable dupe for the silver Chanel chain with the little pearls in it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put that on my wish list because I need that. I want it and I need it. Yeah. It is this chain from Amazon. This is a cross chain. You guys probably done seen it on TikTok plenty of times because I have. I just never got around. All right, this is the chain. If you have a big head, I feel bad for you because my head is big, and I did not have faith that it would reach over my head, but surprisingly it did. And yeah, this is the chain. Super cute. I thought it was going to be a little longer, but I feel like it's long because this is on the longest setting, and this is where it sits, and this is the long, well, this is how this chain, the cross chain, comes, and this is where it sits. But I thought it was going to be a little longer, but it's okay. It's okay. It's a cute length, and I'm going to let it work. Like, ooh, it's great quality. It feels a little bit heavy. I like that. It literally goes over your head to go on and off. Ow! My clip-ins, y'all. All I have to say, if you have a big head, please be careful. It almost took my clip-ins out just now. Almost dragged my hair out. Sorry if I'm looking a little crazy. It's this fault. And yeah, this is a little up close of it. That's the detail on it. Super cute. It got like a little colorful vibe going on it. Super cute. Another accessory pickup is this Louis Vuitton bandeau. I had one of these in the past, and for some reason I cannot find it to save my life. But you guys already know how this goes. It could be worn as a headband, which I love, or it could be worn on your handbag. You know, the girlies got it on their little vanity wrapped up around the, like, one of the handles. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Stop acting like you don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yes, I brought it to be worn as a headband though. And yeah, not like this obviously, but behind the hair, edges out, super cute. I used to love wearing this as an accessory over on my head, like a headband on my head. And yeah, it could be worn on both sides. I love that. I could wear it with black or white. I just love it. And I love my favorite side is the brown side though, because I'm a brown girly. So this was some Uggs, a brown bodysuit, super tea. Love it. Had to get it. Wanted it and I got it. Thank you. Next on accessories is this little bag charm I got from Steve Madden. Right now they're having a sale. I don't know if the sale is still going on, but I got this like a few days ago, and I'll be putting this on my Neverfull. I just feel like it's gonna be so cute. Let me show you guys how my Neverfull looks right now. If you ask me, a Neverfull is the ultimate mom bag. Right now it's full of junk. Me and my son's sweater and some like stuff from us. Like, I love this bag so bad. I had it since January 2021 and we are now in August 2025. This is the best investment ever. It was my first Was it my first designer bag? I'm not sure. But it was my first big girl purchase by myself. And yes, right now I have some charms on it. I used to work in the psych ward and I used to work in pediatrics. So me and my patients used to they used to make me bracelets and I used to make bracelets with them. And I made myself some bag charms. And this charm is the Coach dupe and it is from Shein and the Coach Cherry dupe. And this is from Shein and this is from Shein as well. K for K-san. I just love my baby so much, obviously. And I'm gonna add it on. Well, I realized everything else is not this is my first silver charm on my bag. I just realized that. Just added it on. And yes, I just love it. I love it already. If I don't want to put it on there, I could put it on one of my little handbags, but it more than likely is going to stay on this. And this is how I'm looking. Okay, yeah. Alrighty, starting on clothes now and starting off super strong. I got this hoodie from Abercrombie and Fitch. It is a New York Jets hoodie because I plan to go to my first football game this year. Excuse me, I'm going to my first football game this year. So yeah, this is like manifesting. Is it manifesting or speaking it into existence? This is from Abercrombie and Fitch and it is a size 15-16 in kids, and I wear woman's small / medium and top and it's still a little baggy. So ladies, if you can fit into kids clothing, always check the kids section, please, because this hoodie was still $70 even though it's from the kids section. So imagine women's or men's. I'm just a mom with a toddler. Like, my baby's about to be 5, so I'm just gonna be like with a boy, like with a son. But anyways, of course I had to get him one as well. I got his in a 5'6", and I plan to bring him to my first game too. Honestly, guys, I wasn't gonna bring him, but he seen my hoodie. He was like, "Mommy, where's mine? I want to come." So of course I got him one. But yes, it's from kids section as well. And why was his $80 too? $79.95 is crazy for a damn hoodie that says Jets on the back. Is crazy, but it's okay. We're going to our first football game this year, so that's all that matters. Next for clothing, we got some H&M stuff. I'm gonna do a try on for you guys, so I'll try it on and post like how it looks, but I'll try these items on for you guys and put it on the side so you guys can see how it looks on. This is the H&M fold over pants, and I just got the Skims fold over set, and this we're gonna see, because I didn't try it on yet. We're gonna see what is it giving, if is it giving a little Skims dupe or not. We're gonna see. But yes, H&M. And yo, these tops from H&M, the stretchy ones, if you know, you know, these are my favorites. And this year I'm going to be working, I think I'm still going to be working with special needs, but I am an educator. Yes, I am an educator, guys. So these tops come in clutch. Just wear it as a basic top with any type of bottoms, like, you know, slacks, jeans. It makes you look nice and put together. So I always collect these. I have a bunch of these tops. H&M, only $10. It's literally a Skims dupe. I love it. Next, we got some Skims. All right, so the burgundy set, it's the burgundy fold over pants and the long sleeve top. I have it right here. I'll put it in the video. I already tried this on in store, so I know how that looks already. And then I got the Fits Everybody legging, and I tried this on, and this is tea, y'all. This is the material of it. This is my first time having the Fits Everybody legging, and I got it in a size small because that's all they had left. I was gonna get a medium, but I hate when my leggings are baggy in the front. Like, I am a woman. Please act like a woman. Like, it be getting me so mad when it's back in the front. So yes, I got me a size small, and then I also got the I got the which one is this? The Outdoor Basics leggings in the color Onyx, and this is a medium. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the waist. I don't like when I used to work at Pink, and I don't like when pants got this type of waist, but it's whatever. I'll see how it fits on. I'll probably try this on for you guys as well. And then I just got the because I'm also getting pieces for fall, like I told you guys. So this is the cotton jersey long sleeve. I love me a cotton top because, yeah, thank you. Super healthy for me. This is a basic I could also wear at work, and I love that for me. I love me a basic. Lastly, I have these Steve Madden boots I got on sale, and to be honest, I feel like I got a pretty good deal. These are originally like 200 something dollars, and it was on sale for 80, and then it was 50% off of the $80. So I got these for like $39.99. Like, excuse me, I would definitely put a video like right here of how it fits, or is it right there? Right there of how it fits. I love these. I couldn't walk away without them. I got them in a size 8. I have fat feet and fat thighs, fat calves, fat everything on the bottom of me, and they fit great. They're comfortable. I was gonna go up to 8.5, but the guy was like, no, because your feet goes in it and it was comfortable, but I felt like my legs were so fat it was barely going up, but thank God it fit me. And if you know me, you know I want short boots so bad. So I already have the Macy's viral boots, and now I have these, and next up is going to be the short boots. Mark my words, baby. I enjoyed making this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the products I showed you guys. Everything will be listed down below in the description box like I promised. And yes, I cannot wait to show you guys what else I get for the fall, because it's just the beginning. Like, I love shopping, and I love watching these type of videos, and it's my first time deciding to share. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.